Let me ask you a question. Do you consider yourself to be environmentally conscious? What if I told you that global warming is a serious issue that is causing a disruption in our atmosphere, our weather patterns, and it's ultimately causing the extinction of magnificent species and ecosystems? Hi, my name is Christy Hack, and if you take anything away from this speech today, I hope that you want to protect this planet not only for yourself, but for future generations. I'll be discussing the problems and causes of global warming and what we can do to reduce the effects of it. So obviously, a major problem caused by global warming is climate change. According to National Geographic, this is the root of the problem for melting glaciers and ice caps, not only at the North and South Poles, but large Arctic mountains such as Mount Kilimanjaro are also experiencing a significant reduction of ice. The rapid reduction of Arctic ecosystems has caused only about 30% of the ice that existed 20 years ago to exist today, and that's according to NASA. A related problem, which is the rising of sea levels due to all the ice melting, has been increasing so significantly that low elevation points on the Earth are starting to lose land. And this is a comparison between the Muir Glacier in Alaska in 1941 and in 2004, and as you can see, now it's mostly just water compared to how it was about 70 years ago, which was completely ice. Okay, so another result of climate change is destructive weather patterns such as flash floods, acid rain, monsoons, tornadoes, hurricanes, etc. According to the Union of Concerned Scientists, all these are triggered by the increase of our Earth's general temperature, as well as all the ice melting has caused a rise in sea level, which causes high weather patterns, which is going to result in massive hurricanes or monsoons and things of that nature. So what causes global warming? Well, as the RDC simply puts it, humans. Humans perform so many actions that contribute to the pain that our planet experiences. For example, massive deforestation of rainforests for lumber supply or tourist attractions. This all contributes to a huge factor of global warming. Rainforests are troves of biodiversity that house thousands of species. All these species are now suffering due to habitat loss. Humans are also, well, they seem to be unafraid to deplete the planet's non-renewable resources, the big ones being coal and oil. All these actions, when performed one after the other, causes a massive release of carbon into the atmosphere, which is then trapped by a greenhouse effect, which is ultimately the thing that is increasing our planet's temperature. So what can you do? According to the Greenpeace Association, the Reduce, Reuse, Recycle campaign is the most significant action that you can take to reduce the effects of global warming. So by reducing non-biodegradable materials, and reusing them, we can decrease the amount of refuse in our environment, and by recycling, we get a decrease in unnecessary waste and prevent hazardous materials from our ecosystems. And you can also just use common sense and be conscious and work together in a community to make small everyday changes that will amount to a significant change, like planting trees or starting a community garden. If it's cold, put a sweater on instead of heating your home, or if it's hot, just turn it up a couple degrees. And I would like to end my speech with a quote from Lady Bird Johnson, and that is, "The environment is where we all meet, where all have a mutual interest, and it is one thing all of us share."